Want to boost your sales on Whatnot? Ever wonder how some sellers seem to effortlessly rake in sales while others struggle to get even a single purchase? Today, we're going to divulge the secrets behind successful selling on this popular online marketplace. Firstly, you need to get your pricing right. It's a delicate balance, a game of numbers. Price too high, and potential buyers might be scared away. Price too low, and you might be leaving money on the table. The key is to research. Look at what similar items are selling for and price your product competitively. Secondly, product presentation matters. Your products are stars on a stage, and it's your job to make them shine. Invest in high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Show off the features and benefits of your product. Make it irresistible. Next on the list is community engagement. Whatnot is not just an online marketplace, it's a community. Engage with your buyers. Answer their queries promptly, seek their feedback, and be active in the community. This not only builds trust, but also gives you a better understanding of your customers' needs and preferences. Now, let's talk about leveraging Whatnot's unique features. Whatnot provides sellers with a suite of tools to help increase sales. Use these tools to your advantage. For instance, make use of the Promote feature to give your products more visibility. Another strategy that can't be overlooked is understanding the audience. The more you understand your customers, the better you can cater to their needs. If your target audience is young adults, for instance, ensure your products and marketing strategies resonate with them. And finally, learn from the best. Look at the top sellers on Whatnot, understand their strategies, and see what you can incorporate into your own approach. In summary, to boost your sales on Whatnot, you should focus on competitive pricing, stellar product presentation, active community engagement, utilizing Whatnot's unique features, understanding your audience, and learning from successful sellers. Remember, selling is an art. It requires patience, persistence, and a pinch of creativity. So get out there, implement these strategies, and watch your sales grow on Whatnot.
Hey y'all, don't forget, like and subscribe.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.